Y'all, we have finished our final project for 2024, the duck's brand new home. The duck shed is finally finished, and we had to force them in there one by one. Hey you guys, welcome to Arthur Allen Homestead. We are always working on a new project, and this project is building a new duck shed. And I know they are happy about this, but guess what? I'm just as happy, if not happier than they are, because I am so sick of trying to crawl in that duck shed to get eggs. All right, we got the boxes where they need to be. Now let's open it up and see what we have to do. Now Daddy is showing me something about putting concrete down on the base before we put the shed on top of it, but we're not gonna do all that. That's too much. So we're gonna clear out the little space where we're gonna put the shed. Get all the leaves and roots and everything out the way. Funny story while he's doing that. So the old duck shed, y'all know how it looks. Okay, so you have to crawl in there. They lay eggs at the far right end, and you have to crawl in there to get it. And one time Daddy tried to crawl in there and get the eggs, and he he tripped and fell. Well, he didn't fall, but he stumbled in there, and his hands landed on the ground, and that was just enough for him, because you know that's where they eat. All right, so moving right along, we're getting the walls up. Daddy doesn't know it yet, but he has to flip that around, because that's the outward part. The little grooves right there goes on the outside, but he doesn't know it yet, and I think he's gonna put it in there before he realizes it. Yep, he is. Oh, that's beautiful. Too bad you're gonna have to take it apart again. So eventually he ends up changing it and putting it on the right side. Okay, so we're doing pretty good putting the walls up. Nothing is really stopping us. The only thing that's stopping us is putting the right size in the right place. All right, guys, let's talk as we put this duck shed together. Man, it is the end of the year. It is the last month of 2024, and in a few weeks, it will be a whole another year. That is crazy. It was just a few months ago that I was so sad and upset about the drought and the animals destroying my garden for 2024. And look, it's about to be, in a blink of an eye, it's about to be another growing season. But that is in the past, and 2025 is about to be a year of abundance. I am claiming it right now. You hear me, guys? See, I'm claiming it right now. It's going to be a good year. I am so excited. I got a lot of things planned, a lot of things in my mind that I need to just get out. I got so many things I want to plant, so many things I want to try, and I want to share with y'all my journey, just so y'all can just see me just grow from the bottom up. And y'all, I am not a professional. I don't know, half of the time I don't know what I'm doing. It's trial and error with me. I try things, and if it don't work, I try something else. And y'all, I'm not a garden guru or a homestead guru, but I appreciate the ones that are. I just share the things I do, and maybe it will help y'all. And if y'all can help me too. We are in this together. I just love being in the garden. I love doing things like this. It really makes me happy. And I want to be able to grow things and feed my kids and take care of my family. Aesthetically, my garden doesn't look how I want it to look. But you know, you guys, I'm doing the best that I can do. At this time, I am a single mom that is hustling and trying to get it and keep her dreams alive. I'm really thankful for my daddy and his help with my shenanigans. I buy the stuff and he just helped me put it together. So I thank God for his help. I thank him for just rooting me on. It gets hard sometimes, especially when you're doing it alone. But I'm just really thankful for my family, because sometimes I be looking at myself like, girl, what is wrong with you? Get out of la la land and get back to reality. And I'd like to thank y'all too. Y'all comments, y'all hearts, and the follows. Y'all, thank y'all so much. It really encouraged me to keep going too. So y'all, it's about to be Christmas, and I have one thing I would like for y'all to give me. And it would mean so much. Oh, and did I mention that it's free? It don't cost you nothing. Okay, y'all ready? I would like for y'all to give me a heart and a follow. And the bow on top would be a comment. That's it. That's it, y'all. That is it. That would be the best gift. And let me tell you something. I will lose my mind if we can get, yes, Daddy, my mind, if we can get 1,000 followers before the end of the year. Because 2025, we are about to turn up. And I normally don't even say nothing like that, but that's how y'all know it's about to get serious. So can we get 1,000 followers before the end of the year? Come on, y'all. Y'all could do it for it. But for real, all seriousness, if we really do get 1,000, that would be the top 3, maybe 2 best gift I have ever received in my life. And the perfect way to finish off 2024 and start 2025. Okay, now back to the duck shed. We have finished the duck shed. Well, 95% finished the duck shed. Now we're just putting on the doors. And then we'll be totally finished. Well, after we stop getting things to fall off. And voila! Voila, magic. Voila, magic. Well, it was definitely not magic, but we are finished with the duck shed. Yay! This is the finished product. Yes, I'm proud of me and my dad. I'm always proud when we get something accomplished. Now the hardest part, trying to get these ducks in the duck shed. Y'all, they are so scary. Any little thing, any new thing, any little thing, they are very hesitant. They don't trust nobody. They said no new friends, and they sticking to it. You can't bribe them. They are not going for And the crazy thing about it, I know they are super hungry, and they still not budging. They just not. They are just. Hey, they gonna question everything. Look at him. Just look at him. Just. So my son came out and tried to help us get them in. Now, his only problem is I told him, don't run towards them or in front of them because you're going to scare them even more. Just try to herd them in the shed. But like kids his age, they don't listen. So about 10 to 15 minutes of him chasing around, he finally got one and put them in there. So he had to put them in one by one. Hopefully they'll get used to the duck shed really soon, because I do not want to go through this every day. And they will. I know they will. They just got to get used to the new environment. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all like, comment, and follow. And we will see you guys in the next video.